subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Vivo sub-brand iQoo has launched its new affordable phone in China called iQoo U1x, and it is the toned-down variant of the iQoo U1 smartphone that was launched in July this year. Talking about the specifications, the iQoo U1x features a 6.51-inch HD+ IPS display with 20:9 aspect ratio and 89% skin-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. As per the camera, the iQoo U1x supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner, including LED flash. The AAA camera includes a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has an 8MP selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f1.8 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on iQoo UI skin on top. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18 watts fast charging. And additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.41 by 76.32 by 8.41mm and it weighs around 192.3 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The iQoo U1x has been priced in China for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 899 Chinese yuan, while the 6GB plus 64GB storage model is priced at 999 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 1199 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for pre-orders in the country in Morning Frost and light black color options, and it will go on sale starting from November this year. So, what do you guys think of this iQoo U1x smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.